Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off fast charging on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So if you use a fast charger, the fast charging feature will be automatically enabled as long as the charger is actually quite relatively fast. You'll see the information about the fast charging method on the screen. However, there is also additional option that allows you to charge even faster. In order to use it, we need to go to the settings, and then over here we need to scroll down and find and go to battery. Then over here you want to go to charging options, and then we have a wired charging mode, which can be set to top speed. And of course, as a drawback, the device might heat up when you use this wired charging mode. However, of course, the device will also charge faster with this top speed enabled. So this is how we can fully force the fast charging method and charge our device as fast as possible. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.